Assalamualaikum everyone. So welcome back to USDC video update. Today is going to be a very quick update right now for USDC, and I do see bear flag on Luna. I do see a bear flag on Luna Classic. Pretty much everything is a bear flag. It's not even Luna family, but it's all crypto in general. So I do actually recommend you to watch the Bitcoin update today. It's a very long update, but it's really sweet update. You really have to know about Bitcoin in this very particular time, so do watch that update on the channel, and whenever you subscribe, do press a bell icon because you get notification for pressing the bells icon. Otherwise you don't get notifications. Okay, so right now what I do see is a fall to the downside, a sideways movement, a bear flag that has been printed out. So this bear flag is gonna be for a technical target to go from there to there, and we're looking for USDC to actually drop down to this price level. It's gonna be 0.02675. So don't expect anything bullish about USDC at the moment. I've been through this with you a couple of days now, telling you up here that this is going to be a major resistance up at 64 something. Okay, so I'm a long-term holder. I'm not bothered with it. Okay, long-term I still kind of like the coin. I do think in the future can do $1 or something, but I at the moment do expect a 25% down to the downside out of that bear flag. And if you want to learn more, do check out the trading course if you love these updates, if you want to learn how I do it. So there's an 18-hour course of content for those who don't know actually. And that's pretty much it for the update on USDC. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.